Hello guys, it's Mokuba here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to check for your server information. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your cPanel. So once you're in your cPanel, you simply need to scroll down and you are going to see server information. You simply click on it. It's going to take us to another page. So guys, this is your server information here. You have the server information, you have the service information. So this everything here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace.
To circle the other, as you go you remain a stranger to me, to you, but our pieces left.